Well, hello there. Welcome back to my channel.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna be letting you guys choose what slime I should make. I'm gonna be going on Instagram and doing polls on the stories to see what slime you guys want me to make. You guys can choose between either a clear base slime or a white base slime or glitter or foam beads. So I'm really excited. So if you're new to my channel, then go ahead and subscribe down below and turn on my post notifications so you won't miss another video like this. Let's try to get this video to 400 likes. I know we can do it. This video is a collab with some of my friends here on YouTube. Jimenez is gonna be reviewing slimes from Target, and Joseph Anthony is gonna be testing out Instagram viral slime trends. So yeah, go ahead and check out their channels. I'll leave everything down below. All you have to do is turn that gray thumbs up into a blue one. So yeah, let's get started. So the first thing I'm gonna do is start doing the polls. So I just have my two items right here, and I'm gonna see what people want to see. So either the clear or the white. So I just took the picture and I'm gonna write white or clear, and then I go to the stickers and put a poll, and here I put white and clear, and just make it however I want, and then I just send, and I'm gonna wait until people start voting. So it looks like most of you guys said you guys wanted clear, so I'm gonna go with clear because it's 31 to 69, so clear it is. So let's just add that to the bowl right now. So I'm just gonna add my clear glue. Add this whole bottle. So the next question I asked is what color you guys wanted me, so I couldn't do a poll for all of the colors, so I asked you guys to DM me, and I'm gonna go look and see what it is. Well, my DMs aren't loading, so I don't know, but I know most of you guys said pink, so I'm gonna do pink. And now you guys see why I hate food coloring. So I'm gonna add a couple of drops, probably one or two. 1 and 2, I think that's okay. And I'm just gonna mix. Oh yeah, that's a vibrant color. That's a nice color, you guys. I really like it. That's a really nice color, you guys. The next comment I asked, or the question I said, is what scent, and I gave you guys a choice of bubblegum or blueberry cotton candy, and you guys said blueberry cotton candy, so I'm gonna do blueberry cotton candy. So here is my scent. It's blueberry cotton candy, and I'm just a couple of drops, probably like 5, and then I'm just gonna mix it. I know it's not gonna be clear after this, but that's okay. So there you go, there's the blueberry cotton candy scent, even though it's not blue. But yeah, I'm really excited how it turns out. You guys are doing great so far. I love this shade of pink, and it's really nice. So the last two questions I asked you guys is foam beads or glitter, and you guys said foam beads, so I'm gonna do that after I activate it. And the last one was clay, and all of you guys said yes, so the clay, I'm gonna add it to the next one, okay? So here's my slime, you guys. It's super nice, super pink, and super stretchy while it rips. So the next question I asked you guys was either white or rainbow foam beads, and you guys said rainbow foam beads, so that's the last thing I'm gonna do for this slime. So this is the final result, and I really love it. I love how it smells, I love how it looks, I love the foam beads. You guys did an amazing job on choosing what ingredients to use. If you guys wanted to do a part 2, then leave down in the comments below and suggest more like different ingredients for me to like choose. So yeah, I hope you guys liked the video, and if you did like the video, then go ahead and like, share, and subscribe, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys!